warm welcome to our December and January edition of CIS News. Let's have a look at our monthly academics.
Countryside MUN gave an educational simulation where our CIS scholars stepped into the shoe of diplomats, tried to tackle global issues through debates, negotiations, and resolution drafting.
Big congrats to our talented scholars who successfully participated and bagged medals and trophies in various categories during the Aloha National Level Competition 2023 held in Surat, Gujarat.
It's time for our field trip highlights where we take you on our exciting journey beyond the classroom.
Scholars of grade 5, 8 and 11 put their math skills to test in this prestigious competition named after the ancient Indian mathematician Aryabhatta.
The initiative to encourage scholars to explore the world of readers in the lush green campus of Countryside International School continues.
Let's have a look at our monthly competition and activities.
Budding culinary artists of grade 1 to 4 tried to put their skills to the test in a creative cooking adventure without the need for fire.
Young spellers from classes 1 to 4 showcased their spelling prowess in a friendly competition that left everyone spellbound. Our school recently hosted a Sudoku competition for classes 6, 7 and 9 that put our scholars' logic and problem solving skills to the test.
Let's have a look at our sports activities.
Our school recently came alive with energy and excitement as students and teachers gathered on the ground for CIS Sports Day celebration.
Heartiest congratulations to CIS scholar Manit Patel for the well-deserved selection in the Under-14 Gujarat team for the BCCI Under-14 West Zone Multi-Day Tournament 2023-24. Wishing Manit all the success as he represents Gujarat with skill and pride.
Let's have a look at our celebrations.
CIS was filled with joy and excitement as our little scholars embraced the festive spirits and participated in a variety of heartwarming activities for the Christmas celebration.
CIS Fest was a vibrant showcase of talent, tradition and international perspective, bringing together students, teachers and families for a day of festivities and exploration.
Republic Day holds a special significance for all of us as we come together to honor the values of democracy, unity and diversity that defines our nation.
We are honored to bring you the coverage of the historical consecration celebration of the Ram Mandir, an occasion that holds deep significance for millions of people across the nation.
Let's have a look at our training and seminars.
We are excited to shine a spotlight on the Parent Development Program at CIS, an initiative dedicated to supporting and empowering parents in their crucial role as partners in education.
Heartfelt congratulations to CIS educator Ms. Surekha Ahir for completing training at Official Training Academy, Gwalior and earning the well-deserved title of Associate NCC Officer.
Hearty congratulations to the CIS dads for clinching victory in the My Dad is My Superstar Season 3 Cricket League.
We are thrilled to announce the triumphant winners of Kala Mahakambha 2023.
Our students' talent and support have raised Rs 1,11,111 by selling eco-friendly products and beautiful paintings during CIS Fest 2023-24 to empower the tribal girls of Dang through education.
We are thrilled to announce that for the 6th year in a row, CIS has been awarded with the prestigious Green School Award for its outstanding commitment to the environmental sustainability and eco-conscious practices. Ms. Priyanishan Madam has been awarded the National Level Green School Ambassador Badge.
Let's have a look at Learning Planet activities. Thank you for joining us. Stay informed, stay curious, and remember, knowledge is a key to empowerment. We'll be back soon. Until then, continue to shine and have a fantastic day.